My wife's being brave. She's going in. Naples Pier. Went for a bike ride. And there's a park here in town, Baker Park. And you can ride your bike, through some nice paths and come down here. That's the pier down there in the distance. Joanne's trying to get warm. She's running in place. Okay, heading back. Okay, we're heading back on the bikes. Joanne got way ahead of me, trying to catch up. Yeah, that water was cold. It felt good though. It was refreshing, but not my kind of temperature for swimming. Nice trees over there. Those are banyan trees. Point Sienna, Royal Point Sienna. These are royal palms here on the right. Up ahead, that's Route 41. That goes all the way to Miami. I've taken it a few times over that way. Lots of alligators, snakes. We got to cross 41 and Goodlet Frank Road to get back to the entrance of the Baker Park. Come on, light, change. Come on. I don't want to stop. There it goes. All right. And Joanne's behind me. How you doing? Good. I got a nice thing over here for the kids, get some exercise. Keep them off those video games. Do something physical. Sorry, excuse me.
It's okay. Sorry.
Thank you.
In the back.
Just to let people know. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks.
Aquel adelante.
How you doing? Hi. Hi. Yeah.
Is that a monkey?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't see.
That's what it looked like.
It was a monkey?
Yes.
Wow.
In the carriage. It looked like a monkey.
Probably was.
And there were two dogs.
Uh-oh. Two pit bulls. That didn't seem like it was.
You got it, though.
Okay. And that's pretty much the end of the trail here. There's the parking lot.